Kasenjuk kirang ba Shnong border area rat Nongtung haka kendai trik unailar arajar arpuar lele kendo yu menteri rang ba kejelau konrad kongkal sangma berkelai gedor khas bagi kat pratigi Shnong ki beranagatan blok 2 kidai Pynhap haka jela Meghalaya. Presiden kesenjuk kirang ba Shnong border area rat Nongtung uba Black Star Sotun ulong ba kesenjuk lekentu yu menteri rang ba ban pentikna bagi kat pratigi Shnong ki beran hagarat Nongtung kimdai Pynhap sekejela Asam. Ulang bau menteri rang ba kejelau la penti kenai kesenjuk basian anspen betno yu put usam bat ki kermen scam bagi ni ko kubor ke babha kam tam na bentagi pat ba ki belamat ki jing bat syamlanot hagi babun ki jaka hakatan kaput. Uba sotun ulang ba kesenjuk kala kerpat yu menteri rang ba ban bu ka ketem pulit hakatan kaput kat ba 4 dep ki jing bet yu put usam hakatan blok 2. Ba ki satli ki jaka ki beranjing ka japut ban nagaliang menteri rang ba ula penpau ban nyale ban thau kilat kelenti ban penkut no ya ke jing ya ka japut. Konrad kongkal sangma ulong ba kesenjuk kal kerpat bagi kat pratigi Shnong kide Pynhap apo ke jela Meghalaya bat kila penpau ru ke jing sokya bahagi ni san posnem ki belalej kilamat ki babun ki jing namar ki kendrum kendram haka bede bat uput usam. Bat ula penpau ba kesorkar ke yang scam haka ban penbet uput usam bat dai halor kani ba kile penbet uput usam jokin rutri ki jaka. Bat le soiru ya ke soskular hadian bala pendep ke jing tai sani bat ki pat ba bat ke digamon jong pat ba ke belalam ke jing penbet ki hindru teli ki jaka ulong syuk ba ke jing keren penbet puat kan long hadian ke jing rakhe ke singilat luat kari bat ke jing lang kan long ha Guwahati uli tho ban sathauru ki regional committee ha pedeng ki artli ki jela ban peniat cakmat ya ke jing keren penbet na ke bentak ka wat ke baar na ke bentak ki hindru teli ki jaka ke beran ha pedeng ke jing ka japut. Haga bedai bagajing Dawa ban pentrei kam ki kampenroi ki than kaput. Konrad kongkal sangma ulong bula pentip ke senjok baya ki kampenroi dei ban pediang namar ka jing pentrei kam ki skim on omla ban pensyong nong rem la ka jaka ka hap hagano ka jela. Bar ulong bakalong ba kongsan ya kanu ka jela ka ba pentrei kinu ki kampenroi namar ha ka bakut hi. Kane ka jing pentrei ki kampenroi kanom di ka kendon ban pen scam ka jaka ba ka hap hagano ka jela.
Bakini ki khat pratali ki Shnong ki bahap hapo ka blok 2 ko ngi chuti perosikata de ngi la wan ban penbor ban kerpat isim star ba in sim ban yakran bakini khat pratali ki Shnong kim dei ban hap sepo ka cela Assam kadi kata ka pon ko ban kong ka mi kran te ka bar ngi le kran ka ban ta ka roi ka par ka skim ka development te i sim star ila kran shai bana kabanta ki development baro na du kanika por ka bamanta na Meghalaya ro ki di bania chacha ki ka bor pulis Assam kim dei ban penwit ban pentut na kabanta ki skim ki ba ya dei bat kita ki Shnong ki bahap hapo ka disputed area ki khat pratali ki Shnong te ka chi kren chungi ka dei ka chi kren ka sutanat na kabanta ki ka por tengin ap na mar ka chingkular pat chong ki ka long ba shen no mantangin si penbet no bangin ya penbet no yu ne put usam hakini hiki kendet sngi ki pamanta tengin ap setengah kata kapor teng iba ngi kermen ru ba kene ke cingkeren ke cungi kene kapor kin kan long ke cingkeren ka ba leno kalong ke cingkeren ka ba la ban wan ra pat ya ke cingchop na ka panta cungi kum kin nong Shnong ki bala cungat haki por baro haki cing kordet ki cing kuslai haki cing sai no ben hakini ki sorkar ki chungi te mentang le kren de ka basai tung le don lang tinggal le yo bani slok iki cing don kambaro tingin pej pat se kapor ban ke leng chungi ngila kerpat ru bakat bom pela ban penbej yu put usam ngi ong ba sungu ba ban ai no ya ka pulis kem setai sepo berrai te i sim start la cuba ba yamantahi nomor ba ngin om ya penbun kam syu ngin om ya keren su ya kita ki aka baro tengin ya sim no bej ga kamban penbej no yu put usam tengin le kut no tang hang tahi.
They expressed their concerns about the last 50 years on how they have faced large number of challenges and difficulties because of the border dispute that's there in that area. After listening to their concerns, I have informed them that this government is very committed to resolving the border dispute, and that is the reason why we have moved forward in 6 of the areas, and we have signed the MOU after detailed consultation with the people, and the people's will has led to the resolution of the first 6 locations. And we are confident that we will be able to find a solution to the rest of the 6 locations also. But it's a process. It's something that we cannot say will happen today or tomorrow, but it will take time, and we have to move forward, and we have to allow the process to continue, and we have to consult and engage with all the stakeholders that are involved. And hence I informed them that in this visit of mine, when I had gone for the Niti Aayog meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself, we had a detailed meeting for a long time, and we have decided that we will be having the first meeting for the phase 2 within the next few days after the Independence Day. So exact date has to be finalized, but we will be meeting in Guwahati, and we will be forming the regional committees, and we will take the process forward for the second phase of the areas of differences. And as I said, that it's not a simple process. Things are much more complicated, and even Karbi Anglong District Council is involved, and hence we have to involve everybody in the discussion. And like we have done for the first phase, similarly in the second phase also, we will involve stakeholders, traditional heads, different councils, and more importantly the public in general, to be able to figure out how we could reach to the best possible solution by carrying everybody along with us. The members had mentioned about development schemes and different issues. I informed to them that development is something that we should all welcome, and that based on the implementation of development schemes of central schemes, it does not determine which state it falls under. So whichever state may implement, development is important, but at the end of the day, that is not going to be a criteria for determining which area or which state that particular area falls under. So all these matters were discussed, and I'm sure that they have understood all the details, and of course you can hear from them also. And let me assure them and the entire state that this government is committed. As we have moved forward in the 6 areas in the first phase, we are committed to move forward in the next 6 areas also in the second phase.